Tired of tangled cables cluttering your workspace? The Underdesk Cable Management Tray offers a simple, effective solution to keep your cords organized and out of sight. Designed for both office and home use, this tray helps you reclaim your desk and create a safer, cleaner environment. Crafted from thickened, flame-retardant Oxford cloth, this premium fabric cable organizer prioritizes safety without compromising durability. It not only conceals wires and power strips but also provides flame resistance and dust protection, giving you peace of mind while working or relaxing at home. With a generous 35.8-inch length and 5.6-inch width, this cable tray holds multiple power supplies, extension cords, adapters, and various wires. That means no more scrambling to untangle cords or worrying about tripping hazards. Your workspace stays neat, letting you focus on what matters. Installation is a breeze thanks to 2 flexible mounting options. Whether you prefer to clamp it on or screw it in, the process is quick and hassle-free. No need for complicated tools or drilling, just secure the tray to desks between 0.4 and 2.4 inches thick and start enjoying an organized setup. What sets this cable management tray apart is its versatile design, adaptable to a wide range of desk types. It effectively stops cables from hanging loosely or sprawling across your floor, reducing risks of accidents and damage to your equipment. It's a practical upgrade for any workspace. Inside the package, you'll find everything needed for a complete setup: 1 cable tray, 2 hardware brackets, 2 fiber tubes, and 12 cable ties. These extras help you bundle and route your cables neatly, eliminating distractions and hazards caused by messy cords. If you're ready to transform your desk into a clutter-free zone, this Underdesk cable organizer is worth a look. It's a smart investment for anyone who values safety, tidiness, and convenience in their work or home office space. Try it when you're ready to experience a more streamlined, safer workspace. Say goodbye to cable chaos and hello to a cleaner desk that boosts productivity and reduces stress.